The universe's biggest mystery scientists are still solving. Imagine staring into the abyss of the universe, knowing that for all our knowledge, there are still colossal enigmas defying human understanding. Dark matter, alien civilizations, the fate of the cosmos itself. Despite centuries of scientific progress, some mysteries loom larger than ever. And here's the chilling part. Some of these unanswered questions could change everything we think we know about existence itself. But before we unravel these mind-bending puzzles, let's start with something that's been haunting scientists for decades. The missing mass, the dark matter mystery. If you took every planet, every star, every black hole, and combined them all, you'd still be missing 85% of the universe's mass. That's right. Most of the cosmos is invisible. Scientists call this ghostly material dark matter. And here's where it gets eerie. We have no idea what it is. We only know it exists because of how galaxies behave. They spin way too fast. So fast that they should have flung apart eons ago. But something unseen is holding them together. Could it be an exotic new particle? A hidden force of nature? Or, brace yourself, are we completely wrong about gravity itself? The hunt for dark matter has led scientists deep underground, where massive detectors sit, waiting for a single particle to interact. But here's the frustrating part. So far, there's been nothing. Every time we think we're close, the results slip through our fingers like cosmic sand. Some researchers now question if dark matter even exists, or if we're missing an entirely new law of physics. And just when you thought it couldn't get weirder, the next mystery takes things to an even grander scale. The expansion crisis. Is the universe tearing apart? If you ever had a bad breakup, the universe knows how you feel. Because right now, it's expanding, not just slowly, but at an accelerating pace. And here's the kicker. It shouldn't be. Scientists thought gravity would slow down the expansion after the Big Bang, but instead, something is forcing the universe apart at an ever-increasing rate. They call it dark energy, and it makes up nearly 70% of the cosmos. We can't see it, we can't touch it, but it's literally reshaping the fate of the universe. Some theories suggest the universe could keep expanding forever until galaxies become lonely islands in the dark. Others predict a catastrophic Big Rip, where space itself is torn apart atom by atom. If that's not unsettling enough, we have no idea when this could happen. Could it be billions of years from now, or sooner than we think? Some physicists believe dark energy is an evolving force, something that changes over time, meaning its effects could shift unexpectedly. If that's true, we might not just be looking at an expansion crisis. We could be seeing the beginning of a phase transition in the very fabric of reality. Speaking of things that could reshape the cosmos, what if we're not alone? The Fermi paradox. Where are the aliens? There are over 100 billion galaxies. In our own Milky Way, there are at least 100 billion planets. The numbers tell us that intelligent alien civilizations should be out there. So, where the heck are they? This is the Fermi paradox, one of the most unsettling mysteries in astronomy. If the universe is so vast and life is so likely, why haven't we seen any signs of extraterrestrial intelligence? Some scientists think we're simply looking in the wrong way. Others suggest advanced civilizations might be deliberately hiding. Or worse, maybe they self-destruct before they can explore the cosmos. Then there's the most unsettling possibility. We are the first intelligent species to emerge. If that's true, it means the future of cosmic civilization rests entirely on our shoulders. What if we aren't seeing aliens because they are so advanced that their technology is indistinguishable from the forces of nature itself? Some theories propose that hyper-advanced species could exist on scales beyond our comprehension, manipulating the very fabric of reality in ways we can't perceive. But while we search for aliens out there, there's another mystery that's much closer to home. The consciousness enigma. Is the universe itself alive? Here's a question to blow your mind. What if consciousness isn't just a human trait? What if the entire universe is, in some way, aware? This might sound like science fiction, but some physicists and philosophers take the idea seriously. The panpsychism hypothesis suggests that consciousness isn't something that emerges from complex brains. It's a fundamental property of reality, like gravity or electromagnetism. And get this, when we map the large-scale structure of the universe, it looks eerily similar to the neural networks in our own brains. Could this be a coincidence? Or are we glimpsing some deeper truth about reality itself? Some even speculate that the universe could be a giant self-learning system, evolving through time like a cosmic mind. If that's true, then every thought we have, every discovery we make, could be a part of something far greater than ourselves. But what if we aren't just part of the universe? What if the universe is part of something even bigger? Are we living in a multiverse? For decades, physicists have toyed with the idea that our universe might not be the only one. The multiverse theory suggests that an infinite number of universes could exist, each with its own laws of physics, realities, and maybe even alternate versions of you. If this is true, then our universe could just be one tiny bubble in an endless sea of cosmic realms. But here's where it gets eerie. Some scientists believe quantum mechanics actually hints at the existence of these parallel realities. The many worlds interpretation suggests that every decision we make spawns a new universe, splitting reality infinitely. If that's the case, then somewhere out there, another version of you might be watching this video right now. The endless quest. The greatest mysteries of the universe aren't just fascinating riddles. They shape the very nature of our existence. Each discovery brings us closer to understanding our place in the cosmos, yet with every answer, new questions arise. Perhaps that's the beauty of it all. The journey of knowledge never truly ends. And maybe, just maybe, the act of seeking itself is what makes us truly human. So, what do you think? Which of these mysteries keeps you up at night? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me on this never-ending quest for knowledge. Until next time, stay curious, because the universe is waiting. The unseen forces of the cosmos, dark matter, the invisible backbone of the universe. Let's imagine you're standing in the vast darkness of space, the cold emptiness stretching endlessly. You know the stars, the planets, the galaxies. Everything you see is only the tip of the cosmic iceberg. What if I told you that there's a fundamental force, a colossal influence in the universe, that no one can see, touch, or directly detect? You'd think I was talking about science fiction, right? But it's not. It's dark matter. Dark matter makes up approximately 27% of the universe. But here's the twist. We've never directly observed it. We only know it exists because of how it influences galaxies and clusters of stars. Think about it. Galaxies spin at such an incredible speed that they should tear themselves apart. Yet they don't. Why? Because dark matter, this invisible substance, is acting like a cosmic glue, holding everything together. But there's a problem. Despite decades of research, we don't even know what dark matter is. Is it made of unknown particles we've never encountered? Or could it be something far stranger? A force, a principle we can't even begin to comprehend? Every experiment designed to catch a glimpse of dark matter's essence has failed. So, is dark matter real? Or are we completely missing a key part of the universe's blueprint? And just when we think we've grasped this enigma, there's another cosmic puzzle that takes us even deeper into the unknown. The accelerating universe. Is time running out? Here's the thing. The universe isn't just expanding, it's speeding up. And that's not supposed to happen. After the Big Bang, scientists believe gravity would eventually slow the expansion. Instead, we've discovered dark energy, a mysterious force that makes up nearly 68% of the universe. It's pushing everything apart at a faster rate every moment. This acceleration challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. What is dark energy, and why is it expanding space at an ever-increasing rate? We have no clear answer. Some theories propose a big rip, a violent end in which dark energy pulls everything, planets, stars, atoms, apart until the very fabric of the universe unravels. How long do we have before this catastrophic event? No one can say for sure. It could be billions of years from now, or sooner than you think. Could the accelerating expansion actually be the beginning of something even more extraordinary, like a new phase of the universe? The search for life beyond Earth. The Fermi paradox. Where are all the advanced civilizations? You've probably heard that the universe is so vast, so full of potential, that there must be life beyond Earth. If there are billions of stars, each with planets orbiting them, how can we be the only intelligent life form in the cosmos? That's the question that gives birth to the Fermi paradox. Given the size of the universe and the probability of life, you'd expect us to see evidence of extraterrestrial civilizations. Yet, all we hear are echoes of silence. So, where are the aliens? Some theorists believe advanced civilizations might be hiding, avoiding contact with us for their own reasons, or perhaps they've evolved to the point where their technology is undetectable to our primitive instruments. Others suggest that civilizations may destroy themselves before they can reach the stars, a cosmic tragedy repeating itself throughout the universe. But then there's the most unsettling thought. What if we're the first? If humanity is the first intelligent species to emerge in the vast expanse of space, then the future of the universe's cosmic intelligence may very well depend on us. Could there be life on Earth like planets too distant to detect? Or are we in a cosmic waiting room, awaiting the revelation of a truly alien intelligence? The answer may be closer than you think. Could we already be seeing alien technology? In recent years, a truly fascinating theory has emerged. What if we've been seeing signs of extraterrestrial technology all along, but we just don't know how to recognize it? Some scientists believe that advanced civilizations could be harnessing energy on a cosmic scale, such as using stars or black holes in ways we cannot even imagine. Could we be witnessing the manipulation of space-time itself and just not understand what we're looking at? It's a chilling thought. What if the signs of alien life are all around us, but we are too primitive to notice? The nature of reality, the simulation hypothesis. Are we just digital puppets? Here's a concept that will make you question everything. What if everything around us is an illusion? What if reality, as we experience it, is not real at all? That's the central premise of the simulation hypothesis. According to some physicists and philosophers, it's entirely possible that we're living in a sophisticated simulation, a digital construct created by an advanced civilization. The truth is, our brains might not be experiencing reality directly. Instead, we could be perceiving a highly complex program. You might be thinking, that sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie. But hear me out. Advancements in artificial intelligence and quantum computing are making the idea more plausible than ever. If a civilization can develop enough technology, could they create a simulation so realistic that its inhabitants, like us, wouldn't even realize they're living in one? Some believe we are already in that simulation, and the evidence is all around us in the strange anomalies that challenge the laws of physics. If this hypothesis is true, what does it mean for us? Are we simply characters in a cosmic game with no free will? Or do we hold the power to break out of the simulation entirely? The grand unified theory. Is reality just one? The search for a theory of everything, a unified equation that explains all the forces of the universe, is one of the greatest pursuits in modern science. But what if there's an even greater mystery at the core of this search? What if all the forces we know, gravity, electromagnetism, quantum forces, are manifestations of a single unified force, a source from which everything arises? Physicists have long tried to combine these forces into a single framework. But despite decades of work, we're still far from understanding how everything connects at the deepest level. Could there be a force so fundamental, so central to the fabric of reality, that everything we perceive as separate is actually part of one grand interconnected system? This is the final frontier of physics, the one question that might explain all of existence itself. The ever-evolving mystery of the universe, the endless expansion of knowledge. In the end, the true beauty of the universe lies in its mysteries, those profound, ever-expanding questions that challenge our understanding of existence. Each breakthrough in science opens the door to new mysteries, each more complex and fascinating than the last. So, which of these mysteries keeps you up at night? Which one do you think holds the key to understanding everything? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join me as we dive deeper into the unknown. Until next time, stay curious, because the universe is still waiting to tell us its secrets.